Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a quick power hour video, about 72 minutes, but power hour to me.
So I woke up early to come and clean, and somebody woke up right when I was gonna start my cleaning. So I'm trying to put him something on TV so that I can go clean in peace. Say good morning. So I'm gonna just put him some cartoons and then I'm gonna start my extreme cleaning motivation video.
Mario.
Is mom gonna clean? And are you gonna behave? Yes? Okay. Say bye guys.
Okay.
So I am going to be cleaning my downstairs and I do have a mess, but for me this is not that much of a mess. So I am going to be putting some blankets to get washed. My washer takes 72 minutes, so that's how long I am going to be cleaning for. And when my blankets are all done, that's when I'm going to stop cleaning, and then I'm already gonna have to leave. So I am going to do this all as a time lapse. It's going to have some music, no talking throughout my whole video. But also I wanted to let you guys know if you guys have any other comments on my talking or no talking or a little bit of talking while I'm doing my videos, if you guys prefer that or just all music. So make sure to leave it on the comments below. So here I'm just going to put my blankets in to get washed while I'm cleaning, and I hope that you guys enjoy this video. I really do enjoy making these cleaning videos because this is practically what I do every single day, unless I have one of those lazy days. But you guys understand, right? We can't always be cleaning 24/7. We have to enjoy some of our time with our kids and our hubbies. So yeah, I'm going to be putting this stuff to get washed and I'm going to start cleaning. So enough with the talking and let's get into the video.
I could stay like this, forever following you. Just don't get too far, and I'll be right where you are. You're a dream that I could finally see. I just want us to always be, to always be. Let's stay here. Let's stay here in love. Let's stay here. Let's stay here in love. Suck me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lungs inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind, just to know what you